Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Janan Classes. Today we discuss about Computer Fundamental Part 2, special for ARI Women. Let's see 51 number question. Abacus was the first इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंप्यूटर हम कि मेकानिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंप्यूटर कैलकुलेटर हम कि मेकानिकल कैलकुलेटर हम कोटा हम ऑप्शन डी द करेक्ट आंसर abacus was the first mechanical calculator. Abacus was the first mechanical calculator. Option D is correct answer. Next question. If a computer 16 bits are used to specify address in a RAM, the number of address will be. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. 65,536. Next question. Instruction and memory address are represented by. Instruction and memory address are represented by in computer. Option B is the correct answer. In binary codes memory address, instruction and memory address represented. Next question. The terminal device that functions as a cash register, computer terminal and OCR reader is the option D. In the option D, POS terminal is the correct answer. The terminal device functions cash register, computer terminal and OCR readers is the POS terminal. All these are belongs to POS terminal. 55 number question. A set of flip-flops integrated together is called. A set of flip-flops integrated together is called. Option C the correct answer, register. Next question. People often call dash of the brain of computer system. Brain of computer system is also called CPU, central processing unit. Next question. Which is used for the manufacturing of chips? In the manufacturing of chips, which of the following is used? Option C the correct answer. Semiconductors is used to manufacturing of chips. In the semiconductors, silicon is used. Next question. The value of each bit in heaven is. The value of each bit in a heaven is, what is the answer? 5. Each bit in a heaven is 5 value. Next question. The first computer introduced in the Nepal. In Nepal, which of the following is first computer was introduced? Option B the correct answer, IBM 1401. Next question. Mnemonic, a memory trick, is used in which of the following language? Mnemonic. In the mnemonic memory trick, assembly language is used. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Instruction in computer languages consist of. In the computer language, instruction are consist of opcode. Option A and option B both are correct. Opcode and operand is consist computer languages. Next question. Which generation of computer is still under development? Option B is the correct answer. The 5th generation computer till developing. Next question. A register organized to allow to move left or right operation is called. To move left or right is called shift register. By the shift register we allow to move left or right. Next question. Which was the most popular first generation? The most popular first generation computer is which of the following? Option A is the correct answer. Most popular first generation computer is IBM 650. IBM 650 is the first most popular first generation computer. Next question. Which is considered as a direct entry input device? Which of the following direct entry input device? Tomorrow I am discuss about input device and output device, but direct entry input device, all of the above. Optical scanner, mouse and digitizer and light pen, all are the directly entry input devices. Next question. A set of information that defines the status of resources allocated to a process is called. Option D is the correct answer. Process description is the right answer. In this question, option D is the correct answer. Each set of Napier's bones consists of how many rods? Each set of Napier's bone consisted of how many rods? Consist of 11 rods. Option C is the correct answer. Napier bones consist of 11 rods. Next question. BCD. What is the full form of BCD? Binary coded decimal is the correct answer. Option A. Binary coded decimal. Next question. When was the world's first laptop computer introduced in the market and by whom? First laptop computer introduced. Option B is the correct answer. First laptop computer was Epson in 1981. Next question. From which generation operating systems were developed? Operating systems were developed in third generation of the computer. Next question. The first farm to mass market a micro computer as a personal computer was. The first farm to mass market a micro computer as a personal computer was Radio Shack. Mass market microcomputer as a personal computer. Which of the following? Radio Shack. How many address lines are needed to address each machine location? Each machine location in a 2048 multiplication 4 memory chip. How many address lines are there? Option B the correct answer. 11 address lines are there in 2048 multiplication 4 memory chip. Next question. Properly arranged data is called. Option C the correct answer. Information. In information, data is arranged in properly. Next question. A computer consists of many of the operating system, a central processing unit also, a memory also, input and output device also. All of the correct answer. Option D. Next question. Why are vacuum tubes also called valves? vacuum tubes also called valves. What is the reason? Vacuum tubes used in first generation of the computer. Why vacuum tubes also called valves? 75 B is the correct answer, because they can stop or allow the flow of current. Vacuum tubes also stops and allow the flow of current. So vacuum tubes called valves. Next question. John Napier invented logarithm in which year? In 1614, John Napier invented logarithm. Next question. An integrated circuit is a, what is an integrated circuit? Integrated circuit is fabricated on a tiny silicon chip. By the silicon chip, integrated circuits are made up. Next question. What type of control pins are needed in a microprocessor to regulate traffic on the bus in order to prevent two devices from trying to use it at same time? When in same time two devices are used to trying, which of the following is helps? Bush arbitration is helps when the in same time two devices are used to trying. Next question. Whereas a computer mouse moves over the table surface, the trackball is stationary or moves or dragged. What is the correct answer? Option A is the correct answer. When we moves mouse over table, trackball stationary. Next question. Which of the following is used as a primary storage device? Which of the following primary storage device? Option A is the correct answer. Magnetic drum is the primary storage device. Yes. Primary storage device is both important question. Primary storage device is magnetic drum. Multi-user system provided cost saving for small business because they use a single processing unit to link several. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is dumb terminal. Multi-user system provided cost savings for small business. In the small business, multi-systems are used because use single processing unit is link several. Single processing given to several systems to provided for cost saving. It is called dumb terminals. Next question. What are the three decision making operations performed by the ALU of a computer? What is the meaning of ALU? Arithmetic logic unit. It is answer belongs to all of these: greater than, less than, equal. What are the three decision making in operation by arithmetic logic unit? Greater than, less than, equal. All of the above. Next question. The word processing task associated with changing the appearance of a document. The word processing task associated with changing the appearance of a document is called formatting. Repeated question in the several exams. Next question. Nepal brought a computer for census 2028 BS. This computer was which generation? it is a type of second generation computer used to Nepal broad census 2028 BS. Next question. Algorithm and flowchart helps to us. What is the help of algorithm and flowchart? Specify the problem completely and clearly. Algorithm helps we specify the problem completely and clearly. Algorithm and flowchart. Go to next question. Which statement is valid about computer programs? In the computer programs, which of the following is valid statement? Option D is the correct answer, both A and B. It is understood by computer and also understood by program. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. The difference between memory and storage is that memory is a temporary storage, but storage is a permanent. Difference between memory is a temporary, but storage is permanent. First option is the correct. When was the Pascaline invented? Pascaline, what is Pascaline? It is a calculating device. Option C is the correct answer. In 1642, Pascaline was invented. Next question. Which of the following statement is valid? Lady Anga is the first programmer. Lady Augusta is the first programmer. Ada is the daughter of Lord Byron and famous English poet. Ada is a programming language developed by US Defense. All of the above are correct. Ada is mother of computer. Mother of computer is Ada. Father of computer is Charles Babbage. Go to next question. A compiler is a translating program which translates instruction of a high level language into machine language, translates entire source program into machine language. It is not involved in program execution. All are the correct answer. Option D is the correct. What is required when more than one person uses a central computer at the same time? At the same time, more than one person uses a central computer. Option D is the correct answer. In the terminal, when terminal connect to several computers, more than one person uses. Next question. Which of the following is the first computer to use stored program concept in the form of stored program concept? Which is the first computer to use? EDSA computer first used to stored program concept. Next question. The term gigabyte or gigabyte refers to? Option C the correct answer. 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. Next question. In which year was UK's premier computing event started? Premier computing event started in which year? In 1980. In 1980, UK premier computing event was started. Once you load the suitable program and provide required data. Computer does not need human intervention. This feature is also known as what is? It is automatic. When we once load suitable program, computer does not needs human intervention. Computer working automatically. It is called automatic. What is brand? What is brand? In the option B, the name of product a company gives to identify its product in market. Company gives identify its product in market. It is called brand. Next question. Machine language is a. Which of the following is machine language? Machine dependent, difficult to program, error prone. All are the correct machine language. A byte consists of how many bits? 8 bits. 1 byte equal 8 bits. Option C the correct answer. Modern computers are very reliable, but they are not infallible. Modern computers are fast also, powerful also, cheap also, but infallible. Next question and last question of this session. What is the date when Babbage conceived analytical engine? In the option B, 1837, Charles Babbage conceived analytical engine. Charles Babbage is called father of computer. Mother of computer is Ada.